Shaker is a part of our kitchen. Oh, this is not sponsored. Don't give up. 1, 2. Can I do this? Yeah, okay. I don't have the best kitchen supplies in the whole world. So what? Okay, just give them another chance. Welcome to another episode of English with Sarvi. Well, in this episode we're going to talk about teaching grammar to young learners. Alright kids, take a look. How many bowls can you see? Yeah, 1, 2. Can I do this? Okay, no, this is not the way. Let me show it this way. 1, 2, and 3 bowls. Yes? Okay, how many plates can you see? It's heavy. Yeah, we can see 1, 2, and 3 plates. Very good, everyone. Now, tell me, how many drainers can we see? Yeah, okay, I don't have the best kitchen supplies in the whole world. So what? Oh yeah, 1 drainer. Now, let's see how many tea bags do we have in here? Yes, now I need to use my realia, whatever I have in my kitchen. I mean, if it is an online session, it is going to be easy. Your kitchen is right there next to your lesson. But if it is a face-to-face session, you need to take whatever you can the school provides for you, or you can take from home, from your kitchen. And 5 tea bags. Very nice. Now, what about that? How many pasta? Look, how many? Oh no. How much pasta can you see? 1, 2. Okay, this is hard. Okay. Can you see a lot of pasta or a little pasta? Huh? I think it's not a lot. Yeah. A little. Yeah, I agree with you. Now, let's see this one. What about rice? Okay, okay, this is hard. 1 or 2 or 3. How much rice can you see? A little or a lot? Yes, very good. How about now? Look. Oh, yeah, a lot. Okay. Now, how about this one? Let me show you. I hope you can see it well. How much honey can you see? Like, can I count it, guys? Like 1 honey, 2 honey, 3 honey. Uh-oh. How much honey can you see? A little or a lot? Very good. And you will continue with other items like sugar, like milk, water. Just remember to not tell them everything and overload them in one session. They don't need to know at this point that we have 1 bottle of milk, but the milk itself is uncountable and they need to use how much for it. You can say it, in your second session or your third session, your next step here is elicitation. You need to elicit. Yeah, you're not done in here. You were just presenting your structure until now. So now you need to have a sentence like, how blah 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 water can you see? Or how blah 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 pasta can you see? And then you will wait to hear much or many from your kids. You have used how much and how many so much until now that when your kids see that gap filling exercise on the board or on your PowerPoint, wherever you have it, they will be ready to give you the answer. Yes, even if they can't do it, show them using flashcards. One flashcard is much and one flashcard is many, just the written form. Yes, we don't want to give them the answer because we want to elicit the answer, but it doesn't mean that we cannot help them here. So help them, show it to them and wait for the answer. Don't give the answer, wait, because we want them to feel responsible about their learning process. Wait until they give it to you. If they can't do it, just go through the whole process again. Show the pasta, show the rice, show the honey, and wait until they can, do that gap filling exercise for you. And then it's time to give them lots of drills and reps. And the last thing, don't forget that all through the session, just like vocabulary, we need to check their understanding with grammar. So whenever you hold up that...
I hope that you don't have all the pasta on your drainer, but you know the point. I mean, you get what I'm talking about.
So whenever you show them the pasta, just ask them, guys, can I count pasta? Can I count rice? 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. Uh-oh, I can't do that. So how much pasta can you see? A little or a lot? Okay. Alrighty. The first step is just like teaching vocabulary. You need to build up your context, or you can continue using your previous context if you are wise enough. I mean, picture this. In ELT course books, usually the lesson starts with teaching vocabulary. Even if you are teaching a non-ELT course book just like us this year, you first start feeding your students with vocabulary items, and then through that, after you finished working on those vocabulary items, you find your way to grammar, to the structure of the day. So it means that with one context, I can sort of work on both the skills. Okay, I am going to start with a fun video. The name is Kitchen Crew. I am going to actually put the link for you in the description box below. You're gonna see it, it's really fun. I mean, some kitchen supplies like fork, knife, drainer or strainer, pot, pan, all of them are singing, introducing themselves, and they've got these cute names. Kids really love it. So I'm going to start with that song, and then I will probably have some photos of myself holding different kitchen supplies. I mean, my own pot maybe, and my own drainer, my own pan, some of my own forks. You know, I do have a sort of bond with my kitchen crew, if you know what I mean. All right, so I'm going to show them to my kids. At the same time that I am building up that context here, I am sort of presenting the vocabulary items of the day, kitchen supplies, and I can get the repetitions that I want, the drills that I want here. I mean, we do want to forget about those traditional classic ways of holding flashcards and asking them to repeat. While they're looking at the photo of me holding my pan, they can simply start repeating. I mean, pan. Okay, everybody, pan. Pan. Okay, I mean, it's simple. And then I will probably play some games to practice the target language. If you want to find out some games and activities that you can play either in face-to-face or in online lessons, you can watch this video of mine. And finished. And here we are today. Okay, we definitely start with sort of revision. I mean, I may play that song for them again. Some of them may even ask, because they really like that song. They usually ask, teacher, kitchen song, or flip song, because the name of one of the characters is Philip and they really like him. It's a spatula. So cute. So I may, play the song again to warm them up, and then we may play a game or maybe two games to just, revise those vocabulary items. The second session is usually, the perfect time to work more on the form, on, the spelling of the words. So yeah, that's what I will do. And then when they are totally warmed up, I will do... Some people are so picky about teaching grammar to kids. They say that we never teach grammar to our kids. You should never say that, not even to yourself. But let me give you an example to clear my point of view towards that saying. Imagine you've got a bowl full of chocolate and you offer some pieces of chocolate to a kid. Well, a kid might take one and smile, or another one might just, fill their hands with all the chocolate they can, and their pockets also. So their approaches are different. When you go to the classroom with whatever skill that you're teaching, everything is, the same. Each kid will choose what to pick from your lesson. So, at the end of the day, you don't need to beat yourself up about the fact that that kid learned 100% of my lesson and that kid just picked, 3 or 4 vocabulary items. Yes, wrapping up those pieces of chocolate, the wrapping, whether you have understood that you need to put the dark ones at the bottom and the sweet milky ones at the top, yeah, that's important. But really, I'm repeating myself again because it's important. That doesn't mean that you don't have the next session. So instead of worrying about that lesson that day and the fact that you've failed, because it happens to all of us, just think about the next session. Think about how you can decorate that bowl of chocolate so enticing that no kid can say no to it. And then you can teach grammar. And don't give up on them if they didn't pick up more than 2 or 3 pieces of chocolate from your bowl. Just give them another chance. There's always a next session. Don't give up. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of English with Sarvi. Well, in this episode I'm going to tell you how you can make those little ones of yours, those young learners, those children, talk in class and really produce the language. If you like this video, don't forget to push the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you haven't done it already, it's not too late. Yes, go ahead, push the subscribe button and also push the bell button next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I have a new video. Bye bye!